Today, I'm going to give you an inside peek on the training that has turned 32 students into millionaires. Open the door for us to consult for BMW, Forever 21, a business from Shark Tank, even Amazon themselves, and has trained over 10,000 people around the world, showing them how to build a business on Amazon from their laptop. Now, this has allowed many of our students to fire their boss, giving them freedom to do the things they love with the people they love. But building a business is hard. You will fail lots. You will grow a lot. You might even cry a lot along the way, but we will walk with you every step along this path. We will show you the biggest mistakes to avoid, mistakes we have made so you don't have to as well, and how to find products that make you money. What I'm about to show you comes directly from multiple world-class Amazon sellers who actively and profitably sell on Amazon right now, today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Amazon FBA Mastery. First, we will handpick suppliers for you. We have a team in China who will find you suppliers based on the product type you need built, and very often, these suppliers aren't even on Alibaba, so your competition can't find them. Second, we will send you 3 unique product ideas we already researched, and we will send these to no one else. Third, we will invite you into a community of Amazon sellers who care about your success. This community is monitored by Amazon seller coaches whose job is to make sure your questions get answered within 24 hours. Fourth, we will coach you one-to-one. You heard that right. One-to-one mentoring with an Amazon expert to listen to your long-term goals, evaluate your progress, and give you guidance along the way. Fifth, we will coach you in group settings every week, where we include the latest Amazon updates for sellers and also where we answer your questions live. So you have a question, you ask it. Sixth, we will provide you with 150 training videos. Like right now today, we have 150 training videos, which by the way, are cutting edge, latest as possible. I mean, every single week we're updating this training. We will cover everything. I mean everything from how to open your own company, to how to do bookkeeping, to how to find your product, to how to source your product, to how to launch your product, to how to get started on even other platforms like eBay, Walmart, Shopify, even how to expand your brand on social media, even to how to sell your business for a huge chunk of cash if you want to. Let me show you what I mean. I'm just gonna show you exactly as I share my screen. First of all, this is Amazon FBA Mastery right here. Let me click on this training. We call it a membership because it actually includes 5 courses. There's Start, Find, Build, Launch, and Grow. So it has 5 courses, plus you get workshops. And by the way, you can go back into the past history of these workshops and see all the previous trainings, and we remove ones that are outdated. So you not only have a ton of training here, but every week you have a new training you can join, and you have the community where you can go in, join this community, interact with other sellers. Some are new, some are advanced, and coaches monitor your progress. No one else gets access to this exclusive community. We have had multiple students say just the community alone is worth the investment of this training because of all the resources you get and the templates and the ideas. And oh, by the way, here's a great sourcing company, or here's a great product inspection company, or you need to talk to this person who can help you with this PPC. It's incredible. But let's go back to the heart of the training, the courses. I wanna show you Build, because this one is all about sourcing your product. It's right smack dab in the middle of the training. On the left, you can see sections. So how to design your product offering has these videos underneath it, and you can see the same videos here. Then if I click on this section, how to source your product, all of these are videos. And when I click on one, it takes you to the video itself, and it's a combination of sharing our screen and then seeing us talk. And then here, we give you key points in the lesson so you can quickly get a synopsis of what it's about, and we provide resources. We have an entire tool, hand custom built, only you get access to it, that gives you email templates, it gives you requests for quote templates, it tells you what areas of the country of China certain suppliers are so you can make sure it's a legitimate supplier, and all of the slides. So this right here walks you through, as you can see, a ton of content showing you exactly how to get that request for quotation, and a quiz. These will ask you 5 simple but very important questions so you can quickly ascertain, are you learning it well? And by the way, guys, this is just Build. We haven't even gotten into the other 4 courses. Once you're in for life. You get unending access. As long as Just When Dime exists, you get all the updates constantly. So you don't have to worry about us coming back and saying, your subscription's about to expire. You're in for life. We built this in a way that over time, the value of your investment actually increases. Let's just say you became a millionaire, as many of our students have. Over a 10-year period, you are literally spending dollars per month, dollars, single digits, as you spread out the training over that period for the value that you get. If you have any remaining doubts, consider David Lopez, our 3rd student who did over 1 million in his last 12 months. Crystal Laborin, who did over 500,000 her 2nd year and is now nearing 1 million in sales. Eric Abbey, who bought a new house for his family using his Amazon sales. These are not random people. You can go look them up online, talk to them. These are Just When Dime students. Angela, who fired her boss and now gets to run her Amazon business remotely while spending the best hours of her day doing what she values most, time with her family. Countless others now travel the world with their loved ones while selling on Amazon. There is no reason this can't be you. And I know that burning desire to end this death by paycheck cycle so you can start building monthly cash flow. Will it be easy? No. Will we stay with you and help and support and encourage you? Yes. Are you going to become stronger because you have to face obstacles, become stronger? Yes. So this is not for the faint of heart. I would challenge you. Am I willing to start doing something to build my future? Amazon has allowed me to build more wealth than I would have earned in a lifetime working for Apple in just the last few years. If you want to turn this into a reality, go here, jod.com/freedom. Or just click the link on this page. If you're seeing this on YouTube, click the link below. Join our team. An Amazon expert coach will email you immediately to set up your first one-to-one mentorship. And if you have any second thoughts or concerns, you get a full refund within 14 days of your purchase. No questions asked except this one: what could we have done better? I and the team cannot wait to help you build a business so that you can someday create freedom to do the things you love with the people you love. jod.com/freedom, click that link and let's get started.